Hello, Nyob from Thailand. This is part 2 of what we eat in a day here in Thailand, Hmong edition. So I hope you enjoy this video. With further ado, let's go and show you our daily meal. Let's go. So for today's breakfast, my mom and I decided to make a buffalo style noodle soup for the family. So this is the buffalo broth that we've been boiling for the past hour. And while the broth is cooking, my auntie is making a fried shallot and chili oil crisp to go along over the noodle soup. So for this bowl of noodle soup, we have some rice noodles that are blanched. We're gonna add in some sliced onions, some cooked up buffalo meat, some herbs such as cilantro, some green onions, some culantro, and then we're gonna add in some lime, and then the shallots and chili oil crisp that my auntie made. And then we're gonna add in some seasoning such as chili sauce. You could add some soy sauce and fish sauce, and then add in the broth, and this is our breakfast. Yes. Woo. After breakfast, my grandma decided to teach us how to make well.As, which is basically just boiled rice in either a banana leaf or any type of edible leaf. And it's typically eaten as is, or you can eat it alongside barbecue meat. You could take it on the road. It's a really great road trip type of snack. So she's teaching us how to make it. It's very simple. I will have a full video of her process and show you all how she does it. So stay tuned for that. Other than that, this is what it looks like after it's done cooking. And in the afternoon, we went over to a local Hmong village market, and we went and bought a lot of different types of different vegetables for tonight's dinner. So after visiting the market, we stopped for lunch and we decided to get some Thai style hot pot. So this Thai style hot pot is really cool. We can grill meat in the center and then have some hot pot on the outside. Oh, you like chicken feet? You should go to Korea. You like spicy food? Yeah. You want to try the Korean spicy chicken feet? And this is all buffet style, so you can choose and pick any type of protein and vegetables and sauces they have available. And then for dinner, my uncle and my auntie made some C.HawjCreations, which is basically fish stuffed with fresh herbs, and then it's wrapped in banana leaves and cooked over some wood. So this fish is very aromatic, very delicious. It's amazing with sticky rice. Along with that, I also made some sticky rice with sweet sausage and shredded sweet chicken. And then after dinner, we decided to just hang out and catch up. So we decided to make a few snacks as we catch up, and you can see here my auntie cooking up some sweet potatoes. And then when we went to the market, we also got some Nyob, which is basically rice cakes here. And this was freshly made by a local Hmong vendor. And they gave my grandpa a few packs of these, and we are just crisping it up on the pancake griddle here, and then just enjoy it as it is. Along with that, my uncles and my brother decided to just grill some meat for a midnight snack to have with beer. So you can see they're cooking up some buffalo here, some eggs. My brother decided to make some buffalo bulgogi here. And to end the night, we decided to get some cakes for my uncle and my grandparents to celebrate their birthday. And then we called it a night. So I hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for part 3 of what we ate in a day.